Welcome to Dirigo Federal Credit Union's quick tutorial on how to open an account online. If you've ever wondered how to open an account without stepping foot into a branch, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps how to open an account online, from start to finish. Head over to our website at www.dirigofcu.com and click on Apply Now. This will bring you to our secure application portal where you can open both loans and deposit accounts. For this video, we'll be selecting New Member Account and choosing Personal to open an individual account. Next, you'll be asked to choose a branch location. You can select a specific branch or choose Online Branch, which sends your application to our full account opening team for quicker processing. Before you start the application, be sure to have the following on hand: a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, state ID, or passport, your full physical and mailing address, and your personal information, like date of birth and social security number. Now, select how you're eligible to join. If you live, work, worship, or attend school in one of these main counties, or you're a relative of an existing Dirigo member, you'll just need to enter their name. To become a member of Dirigo Federal Credit Union, you'll need to open a share, also known as a savings account, with a minimum of $25 for a deposit. As a member, your $25 share is your share of the credit union, meaning that you, as a member, are a partial owner. So once you click on Share, you'll have the option to add more accounts: money market accounts, which are high yield savings, certificates, also known as CDs, club savings, like a Christmas club or an all-purpose club, checking accounts, which you can choose from an honors checking or our signature rewards checking. If you select a checking account, you can also opt for a debit card, e-statements, and online banking access. Once you've selected your desired products, click Continue. Now's the time where you enter your personal information. Fill out completely to avoid any delays. You'll also have the option to upload documents, such as your photo ID, social security card, and proof of address if it doesn't match. Need to add someone else to your account? You can add a joint owner here. Just remember, joint owners have equal access and rights to the account. Removing them later requires their permission. On the funding page, enter the amount you'd like to deposit, at least $25. We do accept credit cards up to $1,525, or you can choose the mail a check option to either mail in a check or drop off the funds at your nearest location. Please note, accounts must be funded within 7 days, so plan accordingly. Review your full application to ensure everything is accurate. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see Dirigo's membership agreement, disclosures, and privacy policy. Be sure to read and acknowledge them by clicking I agree. And that is it. Your application will be submitted to our team. A member service representative will reach out to you via your preferred contact method to finish filing the documents and complete your account opening. We hope that this tutorial made it easy for you to open your account with Dirigo, and we look forward to having you as a member.